Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ayman. Today I am going to do the translation of Surah Al-Kawthar. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Verily, we have granted you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Al-Kawthar, a river in paradise. Therefore, turn in prayer to your Lord and sacrifice to Him only. For he who hates you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he will be cut off from posterity and every good thing in this world and in the hereafter. Sadaqallahul Aliyyul Azim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.